Good morning, students. Today I am going to start new chapter number 13, the Earth and its neighbors. In this chapter, we will discuss about the solar system, about the Earth, and about the movements of Earth like the rotation and revolution. So, let's start our chapter. Students, there are many amazing things in the sky. We see many things in the sky like a sun, moon, stars. So, the sky also has planets and satellites. Except the moon, stars and sun, the sky also has planets and satellites. So let us study about them. Our first topic is solar system. Solar system consists of sun and the 8 planets. You have already studied about the solar system in your junior classes that the sun is the head of the solar system. We can say the sun is the center of the solar system and the planets move around the sun in a fixed path that is known as orbit. So what is orbit? The fixed path in which the planets move, that is known as orbits. So every planet has their fixed path, that's why they do not collide with each other. सबका अपना अपना path होता है ताकि वो एक दूसरे से टकराते नहीं हैं. And the planets is in increasing order of distance from the sun are. अगर हम बात करें planets की in a which order? In a increasing order with the distance from the sun. So we can say the Mercury is the nearest planet of the sun. So the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets of the solar system. And earlier the Pluto is also there, but now it is called the dwarf planet. So the name of the planet is also there. Another name is also there. Planets के दूसरे नाम भी हैं जो हम हिंदी और संस्कृत में बोलते हैं. Like Mercury is known as Buध, Venus is Shukra, Earth is Prithvi, Mars is Mangal, Jupiter is Brihaspati, Saturn is Shani, Uranus is Arun and Neptune is Varun. So these are the name of the planet in the Hindi and Sanskrit. So that here is a table in which table some interesting facts are there about the planets. So the different columns are there in this table. Just name of the planet, what is the Indian name, what is the order according to distance from the sun, what is the number of moon and what is the interesting fact about the planet. So the Indian name of Mercury is Buध, the distance from the sun is first, the number of moon is 0 and the interesting fact is it is a boiling hot by the day and freezing cold at the night. डे टाइम पे ये हॉट रहता है और नाइट टाइम पे ये कोल्ड रहता है. If we talk about the Venus, the Indian name is Shukra and the order according to distance from the sun is second, number of moon is 0 and Venus is the brightest planet. That's why we called it morning star and evening star because it's seen at dawn or dusk. सबसे पहले जो स्टार दिखाई देता है वो कौन सा होता है? Venus. इसीलिए इसको मॉर्निंग स्टार और इवनिंग स्टार कहते हैं. Next is Prithvi or we can say the Earth. Okay, the Indian name is Prithvi and the order according to distance from the sun is third, number of moon is 1 and the only planet that support life. सिर्फ एक ही planet ऐसा है जिस पर life है, that is known as Earth. Next is Mars. The Indian name is Mangal. Order is 4, number of moon is 2 and Mars is covered with red dust and it is appears red in the color, that's why it is known as red planet. Red planet, if there is a question name the planet that is known about the red planet, your answer will be Mars. And its names come from the Mars, from the Roman god of war. Next is Jupiter and the Indian name is Brihaspati and its order is 5th from the sun and the number of moon is 66. Okay student, and it is the largest and fastest spinning planet. सबसे बड़ा अगर कोई planet है that is Jupiter and अगर हम इसकी weight की बात करें तो it is 318 Earth put together then one Jupiter is formed. 318 Earth मिलके एक Jupiter बनाती हैं and it's wider than 11 Earths side by side. So we can say the largest planet is known as Jupiter. Next is Saturn, and the Indian name is Shani. The order according to distance of the sun, that is 6, and number of moon is 62, and the rings of the Saturn is made up of ice, rocks and dust. There is a ring on the Saturn and it is made up of ice, rocks and dust. Next is Uranus. The Indian name is Arun, and the order according to distance from the sun is 7th, number of moon 27, and it is covered with a thick layer of beautiful blue and green gases. Clear, student? Next is Neptune. The Indian name is Varun, and order according to the distance from the sun is 8th, number of moon is 13, and Neptune has cold winds that blow at a speed, and the speed is greater than of a flying plane. प्लेन से भी तेज जो हवा चलती है, दैट इज जो स्पीड होती है वो कहाँ पर होती है, ऑन द नेपच्यून. सो by this table you get the more information about the planet. Students, you know that the planet have no light and they get heat and light from the sun. So most of the planet also have satellites, and satellites, what is satellite? Satellites also is a heavenly body that revolve around the planets, and satellites have no light of their own, and they are also reflect the sunlight that falls on them. If we talk about the moon is a natural satellite of the earth. Moon जो है वो अर्थ का नेचुरल सैटेलाइट है, एंड इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द अर्थ एंड इट कंप्लीट वन रिवोल्यूशन अप्रोक्सीमेटली इन 27.3 days. एंड मून ऑल्सो हैज़ नो एयर एंड वाटर. मून पे भी वाटर और एयर नहीं है, दैट्स वाई वहाँ पे भी लाइफ जो है वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. एंड द मून्स ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज 1/6 ऑफ द अर्थ. अर्थ की 1/6 जो फोर्स है, ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स, that is found on the earth. So if you can jump 6 times higher on the moon than on the earth. And today's many countries have launched their satellite in the space. So these are known as artificial satellites. So if we talk about the natural satellite, only one natural satellite is there, that is moon, and the satellite which are launched by the man, they are known as artificial satellites. And the first satellite that launched in the space, that is by the Russia in 1957, and the name of the satellite is Sputnik 1. And India also has launched many satellites like Aryabhatta, Bhaskara, Rohini and Apple. And the first Indian satellite that launched by the India, that is Aryabhatta on 19 April 1975. Okay, student. And the India has also launched the moon mission satellite, that is known as Chandrayaan, and it is launched in 2008. And here are some picture of Indian astronaut also, like Rakesh Sharma was the first man who went in the space, and he went in the space in 2nd April 1984. The Kalpana Chawla is the first woman who went into the space, and she went into the space 2 times, first in the 1977 and second in 2003. But 2003 में जब वो अपने स्पेस शटल कोलंबिया से रिटर्न कर रही थी, तो उनका जो प्लेन था वो क्रैश हो गया और वो उनकी डेथ हो गई. सो कल्पना चावला वॉज द फर्स्ट वुमन who went in the space from the India, and the second woman, that is Sunita Williams, and Sunita Williams spent 194 days in a space. So if there is a question which woman astronaut spent 194 days in a space, the answer will be Sunita Williams. So there are some Indian astronaut picture: Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. So student, the next part of this chapter we will take in a next video.